Hi, I'm Nick. Welcome to the second tutorial of Spritato. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use pixel adjustment, an exclusive feature in Spritato to simplify the process of exporting certain PSD configuration. To demonstrate the idea, I have updated the PSD file from tutorial 1. Let's take a look at what I have changed. As you can see, I have added two new color layers to the file. Note that these two layers are placed across multiple parts of the character. Many graphic designers like to do it this way because it is fast and easy. However, after they finish the illustration and start to export the layers, they usually start crying because this kind of overlay layers don't automatically apply to each part of the export. The only way to solve it is to clone the overlays, place them and clip them inside each affected merge group. What if we can have these overlays to work just like adjustment layers in Photoshop? Yes, this is exactly why the pixel adjustment layer was introduced. By setting a layer as pixel adjustment, Spritato will treat it like an adjustment layer in Photoshop. The adjustment layer itself won't be exported, but will be applied to the layers below it. Let's get started. I have already prepared the project this time. After loading the project, the first thing we see is that both of our lovely overlay layers have a warning icon in their layer row. This is because the blend mode of the layer is set to color, which is not supported by spline. It doesn't matter because once we set the layer to be an adjustment layer, the app will know this layer won't be used directly by spline. Then the app will stop complaining. We can also set the layer to be an adjustment layer in the old way. That is, to use a tag in the layer name. After saving the changes to the PSD, we need to reload the file from Spritato. I didn't save the project before reloading. Let's update the second adjustment layer again. Next, I will export the images next to the PSD file as usual. The export is complete. This is terrible. I remember the last time in tutorial 1, the export without these two overlay layers only took about 0.9 seconds. This is a 20% increase. Now, my friend, use this feature wisely, or your export time could increase from 0.9 seconds to 1.1 seconds. 20% increase. Anyway, let's take a look at the result. It's perfect. Okay, that's it. In the next tutorial, we will talk about skin. Thanks for watching. Bye.